Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to be doing a firearm collection for 2023. I'm going to show you guys all my conventional and addressable devices. Now the conventional and addressable has expanded quite a lot. I've got a lot more conventional and addressable devices than I did in the last firearm collection video in 2022. So we'll go through all the conventional. We'll start with conventional devices and then we'll do the addressable devices. So let's go ahead and start with the first device. The first device we have is an ESP magfire cool point. So nothing too special, but very nice cool points, and using the ESP system. So yeah, so ESP cool point. So that's already been activated. So yeah. Next device, another cool point we have is the fully on cool point. I haven't actually wired this up to a panel, but it's just connected to a battery connector there. It's got no glass or plastic element inside it, so it's just blank at the moment like that. So, but yeah, very nice cool points. So yeah, there we go. That's how you wire them up if anyone's interested. So yeah. There we go, nothing too special about them, but nice cool points. Then we have got some conventional sounders. So we have just a Roshni sounder, 32 tone sounder. If I can get it off. Again, this one's connected to a battery connector. That's how you wire it. This is, I think, it's a newer Roshni and can do 32 tones. So yeah, very nice Roshni sounder. Then we have, over here we have, this is the newer ProTech 3000 sounders. This is what replaced the obsolete ProTech sounders, and these are the newer ProTech sounders. But on the back of it, it doesn't say ProTech, but when I first got a ProTech sounder, this is the one I got given. These are the new ones, I think. So yeah. It sound quite nice, but overall very nice sounders. And then we have a Banshee XL sounder. This was last used on the New Year's sound off, to sound off all the stuff. So it's currently connected to a battery connector, which was used in the video. So that's a Banshee XL sounder, 32 tone sounder. So there we go. Very nice sounders. And then we have two Gent C3 sounders. Now I got these for a good deal on eBay a while back, and I got two of these for a good price for both of these. So two Gent C3 sounders, standard C3 sounders, no voice or strobe or anything, just sounders. So, but yeah, overall I really like these sounders. These are my favourite conventional sounders, the Gent C3s, and they do sound really good. So especially when they're on turbo mode. So overall, very nice sounders, and I would like to put them on. Maybe I'll install these on the Morley panel or something like that in the future or something. But overall, very nice sounders. So next device we have is a couple of KC cool points. So I'll just get both these KC cool points out. So we have two KC cool points. This one is ProTech rebranded. Got a plastic element in it, but it's ProTech rebranded cool point. Just a regular KC. This one's got a glass element in it, and yeah, this one's actually got ProTech on the back of it, but I swapped the elements around and stuff like that. So, but yeah, these are just KC cool points. Nothing too special about them. Then we have a KC Enscape sounder, the white version of the sounder. There we go, 32 tone. I believe this one is, I'm not too sure, but again, very nice sounders. We've got has some interesting tones. And then I think the detectors, there was one more sounder, one more conventional sounder. This is the CTEC Active sounder base, which was using the ESP system. Still got resistor in it from ESP panel, I believe. So Again, these are very nice sounders. Can do Apollo and Hochiki tones and other interesting tones. So overall, very nice bass sounders. Then we have a Tyco conventional detector, Tyco 601P optical smoke detector. So there we go, Tyco. Then we have conventional Hochiki heat detector. This is the model number DFJ-AE3. There we go. So this is a Hochiki detector, conventional. And then we have conventional Hochiki detector optical, SOCE3N optical detector. So there we go. And then we have ESP magnifier detector, conventional. This is the ESP magnifier PSD-2 optical smoke detector. So there we go. These are the ones that fake pole every like 5 to 7 seconds or something like that. But yeah, these are quite nice because they pole and all that. So very nice detectors. And then we have a conventional S quad. These are conventional, the ESSA detectors. Basically like a rebrand of the Gent detectors, Gent S quads. So it's conventional ESSA by Honeywell ES Detect. So nothing too special about these, just a standard conventional detector, S quad. There's the base. I still don't know if this actually works because I did try it on the ESP system and it didn't seem to work. It just threw a fault, and I'm pretty sure I got the wiring right. So it might be the wiring or it might be faulty, but yeah, I don't actually know if it works or not. But that's okay if it doesn't. So then we have conventional Zyton detector. This is the ZP, the Z620 581 3P heat detector, base plate. And then we have conventional Zyton optical smoke detector, and this is the Z630 3P base plate. Then we have a Fike detector, Fike Rafiki detector. These obviously won't work on any old conventional panel. These need to be on the Twin Flex Pro panels. So yeah, there we go, Fike Twin Flex multi-point. There's the base plate. So these won't work on any conventional panel. It has to have a Fike Twin Flex Pro panel to get these to work, which I don't have. So these are in my collection. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell it because obviously I can't really use it on any conventional panel, and I don't think I really plan to get a Twin Flex Pro panel. So I don't know what I'm doing with it yet. So then we have a Nitan conventional optical smoke detector. There's the base plate, and this is the detector. So there we go. This is the EVCP conventional detector. There we go. I do like these conventional detectors a lot because I do like the LED ring, which is quite cool. So very nice detectors. Then we have a notifier conventional detector. So this is the notifier model SD851E conventional detector. Very nice detectors. There's the base plate. Then we have Protec detector. This is the Protec 3000 OP. This is the regular OP detector, Protec. It's currently got a diode in it from the ESP system. So yeah, Protec detector. Very nice detectors. Then we have the Protec 3000 Plus. So these are the newer Protec detectors. Protec 3000 Plus. This one is a multi-sensor. So this is the 3000 Plus optical heat sensor. That's about it. So optical and heat detector. And this is the base plate. I do really like these Protec detectors a lot. Then we have just have a standard Series 65, Apollo Series 65 detector. Nothing too special, just a Series 65. There we go. Then we have conventional Tyco heat detector. This is the 601 HR, rate of rise heat detector, on the base plate. Then we have an alarm sense optical smoke detector. So there we go, alarm sense optical smoke, and this is the base. It's currently got a capacitor in it from the CTEC CFP panel. So yeah. And then we have another alarm sense detector. There we go, heat detector, alarm sense. And I think that might be it for, I think there's one more conventional device. And then we have a CTEC Active optical smoke detector. Now it's got a diode in it from the ESP panel. And then there's a detector. Very nice detectors. I do like the bright LEDs, the twin LEDs. And yeah, that's pretty much, I think that's pretty much it for the conventional devices. Near to the end of the video, I will show the conventional panels I've got. And yeah, I'll show you the addressable devices, then I'll probably show you guys the addressable devices. So yeah, we're now going to look at the addressable devices. So addressable devices, we've got, let's start with the call point. So we've got a XP95 call point, KAC call point, XP95. That's where you set the address. That's for connecting your an earth screen, and then there's your loop connections. Okay, plastic element in it, so XP95. And then we have Discovery call point. This is already in press, so it's a Discovery call point. I've used this once on the Morley DXC panel to show you guys the panel itself. So yeah, so there you go, Discovery call point, KC. And then we have, I'm not sure if this is, well, this is also another alarm sense call point that I forgot to show. So yeah, that's another conventional alarm sense call point. It's got capacitor in it. So yeah, alarm sense call point, forgot to show that. And then we have an Apollo loop powered beacon. There we go, loop powered beacon, and there's the base. These are very nice beacons. And then sounders, we have two sounder bases. This one's a sounder base. This is a sounder beacon base. So this one. So there we go. That's this is a integrated base sounder for isolator, and this one's a sounder beacon base. So yeah, very nice sounders. And then for detectors, we have XP95 optical. There we go, XP95 optical smoke detector. And there's the base. And then also we have two other XP95 detectors. We have another optical, and we have a XP95 heat detector. And then actually we've got some more as well. Another heat detector, XP95, and we have XP95 multi-sensor. And then we have one discovery device here. We have a discovery heat detector. So yeah, that's basically it for the Apollo addressable devices. Now we're going to move to other addressable devices. I do plan to also take down to probably eventually change out the discovery detectors in the, change out one of the discovery detectors for the Soteria, and then one of the discovery detectors will end up in the collection. So yeah, so we're now going to move on to the other addressable devices. So we're going to look at these other addressable devices, and now I have a mixture of Hochiki and system sensor devices. So first off, we're going to start with this sounder. So this is a system sensor sounder. There we go, system sensor sounder. Haven't tried the system sensor devices out yet, but hopefully I will be changing the protocol eventually. Once I finish with Hochiki, I'll change it to system sensor and see how it goes. So yeah, system sensor. This is for setting your address. It's a dial thing. You can set your address on here and here. This is times 10 from numbers 1 to 10 to set the address, and then times 1 if you want to set double digits with the sounder. So I do like the sort of addressing you can do on here to set the address, so that's pretty cool. Then we have system sensor sounder beacon with this old system sensor detector. This is a system sensor model 2251 TEM multi-sensor. This is the multi-sensor. So this is a very old system sensor detector. It's got two heat probes, and yeah, very nice detectors. And there's the system sensor sounder beacon. This is the DSS PC-100 sounder beacon. Again, you set the address, and then you can do the deal switches. I'm not too sure if these can do other tones, because I'm pretty sure this can only do continuous tones. But if anyone can let me know if these can do other tones like fast sweep, something like that, just let me know in the comments for the sounder. So yeah, that's the system sensor detector and sounder. Then I have some more system sensor devices. So next we have so we have two of these detectors. So we've got system sensor 22051E-26 optical smoke detector. So there we go. These are the newer ones. And then I've got another one, another optical. Then I've got this one's a multi-sensor, I think. This one's a heat detector, model number 52051E-26 heat detector. So there we go. Then we have an old system sensor heat detector. This one's a little bit yellow. So this one is model 5551E. heat detector. This is an old one. So yeah. And then this one we have over here is a multi-sensor. This one's the multi-sensor, model number 22051 TE-26. This is a multi-sensor optical smoke and heat detector. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the system sensor. I have got one Zyton addressable heat sensor, model number ZP723P. This will eventually get put onto the Zyton ZP2 system, so this will be on the system quite soon in future tests. And then for the Hochiki devices, so we got a Hochiki detector ALN-EN, Hochiki ALN-EN optical smoke detector, and a Hochiki YBOBS B2. This is a sound beacon, and I think it does white flash, I think. This one does the white flash. I might get one with a red flash as well at some point. But yeah, this is a white flash. And then we have two more ALN-ENs. So this is another ALN-EN detector. Then we've got this is a ACC-EN, which means this is a multi-sensor. This is an optical smoke and heat detector. So ACC-EN on a YBOBS bass sounder. Okay. And then also we've got another YBOBS. So it's another YBOBS. This is rebranded as a HFP bass sounder. So it's still a Hochiki bass sounder, but rebranded as HFP. So yeah, there we go. And then we have 5 Hochiki ALGE detectors. These are ALGE. These have been addressed for me from a seller. I've got these from eBay. Got these for a pack of 5 detectors. So quite a very good deal for these detectors. So there we go, ALGE. And I've got 5 of these. These are the 3, and then there's another 2 over here. And yeah, that's basically everything. So that's the collection. And now I will show you guys the panels I've got in the collection. So yeah, that's it for the conventional addressable. And now I'm going to show you guys 2 conventional panels. So yeah. And then finally we have my conventional panels are in collection now. So we have a CTEC CFP. This is a 4-zone alarm sense panel, and it used to run the alarm sense system. So there we go. So just a CTEC CFP. I'm not going to open the inside because I have showed it before on the channel. So, but yeah, there's your different buttons and stuff. So yeah, this is alarm sense. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not, but for right now it's going in the collection. So there we go. And then we have a ESP Mag 2 core point. This is a 2-zone panel, and yeah, it used to run the ESP system. And yeah, there's the inside of the panel for anyone interested, and there's the different function stuff. So yeah, there we go. And a diagram on the panel itself, on the lid. And yeah, that's basically it for the collection. So yeah, so that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos to come, as I'll be showing, I'll probably be doing a system test at some point. The first system test for the Morley system, the Hochiki system, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's basically going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and goodbye everyone. And also, I just want to say thank you to everyone 500 subscribers. I really do appreciate it, and I couldn't believe that we reached 500 subscribers. So yeah, thank you everyone, and goodbye.